Hi, I'm Phil James. I'm the product manager for the Nexar API here at Altium. Today, we're going to be talking to Arnaud from DeltaProto, and we're going to be talking about how they're using our API to enhance their operations, how the API helps assist them tackle some of the challenges they have, their favorite aspect of the API, and how they got started with the API.
I'm a software developer here at DeltaProto. We specialize in PCBA assembly. So we've set up our servers to be able to quickly assemble PCBA as quickly as 5 days to help people prototype their products.
In what ways have you been using our API to enhance your operations?
So we've been using the Nexar API to be able to source parts from our suppliers. And especially we need to do this a lot every day because we get a lot of requests every day. And we need to be able to quickly be able to tell if we can source all the parts for a product. The Nexar API has been helping us to find stock and quickly available parts to buy to be able to assemble the PCBs.
How does our solution assist in optimizing your kind of processes, and what challenges have DeltaProto overcome as a result?
So in the past, it's taken us a lot of time in analyzing the bill of materials the customer sends us, and the API has helped us to increase the speed of us analyzing this bill of material, and yeah, it's just the main benefit for us is speed. The API also provides, of course, price, etc. Price is not really for us a major concern because we are mainly interested in getting the prototype out as quickly as possible. You can imagine if there's a low volume, for example, 5 pieces, it's not really important if the price of the part is 10 cents or 13 cents. That's also what the API provides, but for us, stock is really important. We really want to have the parts in our hands within 2 or 3 days. So using if we have the part, we're able to assemble the PCB, and that's what the customer really needs. So for us, it's definitely speed.
Do you have any tips and tricks about how you use the API?
So for us, the API has been really beneficial in matching stock keeping units from particular suppliers such as Farnell and RS, DigiKey, etc., back to manufacturer part numbers. Our customers supply us with the bill of materials. Sometimes they're referencing manufacturer part numbers, sometimes stock keeping units of a supplier they're using a lot. But what we are really interested is in stock, because we want the parts quickly to be able to quickly assemble the PCBA for our customers. So the cross-matching between the stock keeping unit that the customer supplies and Altium or the Nexar API giving back the manufacturer part number and all the corresponding suppliers that supply these parts. And that's been really helpful for us in sourcing parts quickly.
I think you probably answered my next question, which was, what's the favorite aspect of our API? And did you have any tips or tricks?
Well, as a developer, I think it was definitely really easy to set up the API. That's what I really like. As a company, we really like to implement features within a day or two. And then implement it, push it out, see if everything works. The web environment of the Nexar API with the GraphQL interface really helped me to set up all the fields. It's really visible to see what's available in the API. set all the parameters as you wanted, as you needed in your application. And yeah, that's been, for me as a developer, really helpful. And other than that, support has also been good. Like, I ask a few questions. Turnaround time is quite just as you would expect it. So that's what I really liked as well.
So what prompted you to look for and integrate with our API and bring it into your operations?
Well, in the past, we've been doing a lot of this sourcing of parts manually. We started out, I think, 5 or 6 years ago. And it started out with Octopart, of course, and now it's branded under the Nexar API. For us, we also had a small migration because we started out with the Octopart API and now it's the Nexar API. It was like a little bit of a change from my side, I think. From your side, a bigger change. But for me, it was really easy to get that transition over. So that's a bit of our background.
Thank you for that. Thank you for talking to me today.